Welcome to your 10-minute daily abs workout for women. In this workout, we'll be targeting your core muscles with a variety of exercises that you can do from the comfort of your own home. We'll be doing a combination of plank variations, crunches, twists, and more to help you tone and strengthen your abs. So let's get started and work on those six-pack abs. Plank, 1 minute. Start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold the position for 1 minute, making sure to keep your abs engaged and your back flat. Russian twists, 1 minute. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight, and hold your hands together in front of your chest. Twist your torso to the right, bringing your hands to the right side of your body, and then twist to the left, bringing your hands to the left side of your body. Continue twisting back and forth for 1 minute. Bicycle crunches, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your head, shoulders, and feet off the floor. Bring your right knee toward your chest as you twist your left elbow toward your knee. Straighten your right leg as you bring your left knee toward your chest and twist your right elbow toward your knee. Continue alternating back and forth for 1 minute. Leg raises, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your legs straight and your hands by your sides. Lift your legs off the floor, keeping them straight until they are perpendicular to the floor. Lower them back down slowly, making sure not to let them touch the floor. Repeat for 1 minute. Side plank, 30 seconds each side. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Shift your weight to your left hand and raise your right arm toward the ceiling. Stack your right foot on top of your left foot and hold for 30 seconds. Switch sides and repeat. Crunches, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your head, shoulders, and upper back off the floor and crunch your abs. Lower back down slowly and repeat for 1 minute. Reverse crunches, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your hands by your sides and your legs bent at a 90-degree angle. Lift your hips off the floor and bring your knees toward your chest. Lower back down slowly and repeat for 1 minute. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Bring your right knee toward your chest. Then quickly switch and bring your left knee toward your chest. Continue alternating back and forth for 1 minute. Flutter kicks, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your legs straight and your hands by your sides. Lift your legs off the floor a few inches and flutter your legs up and down, making sure to keep them straight. Repeat for 1 minute.
Don't forget subscribing to our channel. You never miss an update and be part of our amazing community. So, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's get started on this awesome journey together.